So I thought I'd show you the KitchenAid meat grinder. So it comes in a couple of pieces. So that would be your roller and your blades and your cap. So what I'm going to show you is how I put it together, and then we're going to start cutting up some meat, and we're going to show you how I grind my meat by using the KitchenAid meat grinder. So basically this piece here, which is your roller, goes inside, and then you put your one blade on top, another blade on top. It has spot where you can't make a mistake putting this on because it has little grooves. And then you put your cap on securely, and that's pretty much all it is to that. So in order to attach it to the KitchenAid mixer, there is a knob on the top here, and it has a front cap. So you just basically remove that, and you put it into the hole, and you push it in, and there's a little notch there, and that's when you know that you've had it lined up. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you a trick that I do in it. I use a wet paper towel when I go to use my cutting block. So that's my cutting block there. I just put the wet paper towel down onto the counter, and that way when you're cutting on the wooden block, it doesn't slide. It's pretty secure. So there we have it. So today I'm going to be doing some ground pork. I'm going to be making a chili later on. To fold a paper towel and just rest it over top of the grinder so that it catches any type of splashing and stuff, just for cleaner. So one of the things I like to do when I cut up my meat is I like to sharpen my knife first. So this is the Chef Choice 440 Knife Sharpener, and I'm just going to give it a couple of slices through there just to give it a little bit more sharpness. And that's basically how that works. Got a couple of rollers in there. I think this is great, and it's worked for years for me, and there you have it, the Chef's Choice. Put that aside. What we're going to do is I'm going to slice it. See, that works great. If you put too thick of a piece in there, then it just gets stuck. So you just want to go slow and cut up your meat to just chunks about that size. What we'll do is just start feeding the grinder our chunks of meat that we have, and I'll show you how easy it is and how well it works. Put it on the first setting. So as you can see, the paper towel is wet and it's over top, and that's just to catch any splashes that might happen. So in you go. Fill that all the way up to the top. Little trays for the pieces, but I'm just going to keep it on my butcher block for now. You don't want to put too much in there because then it gets all jammed up. And then I'm just going to push it down, and as you can see, the grinder's working. This is great. Make sure your bowl is in place of the meat coming out, because even though it's on the first setting, it still goes pretty quick. So chili it is tonight for dinner. It'll be great. And this is the beginning of the meat that I've chosen for the chili. And this can be used for chicken, beef, pork, and the paper towel doesn't touch the meat, which is good. But it certainly makes for a cleaner space. So there you have it. The meat grinder, KitchenAid. Love this. Use it all the time. Now I know what's in my ground meat for my chili dinner tonight. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you in another video.